Okay, just try not to be satisfied. This is gonna be easy. Oh, Adam, you already lost.
What?
You can't be like, what the heck?
Okay. Do jungle.
Okay. I mean, I'm gonna say it. It's not that satisfying. I mean, boat. Whoa. Alright, that's one down.
I got one down too.
If I left 3 times, I lose. Okay, I ain't gonna say it, but I was about to say it.
Pretty.
It's pretty cool. Nah, I didn't say why. The W. I was about to say it. Wow.
You said it.
No, I was. Never mind. I said I was about to say it. Wow. Alright. 2 down.
I got one down.
I forgot I can't say it.
I got one down. You got two down. That's not even cool.
I mean,
It's
just the water. That's the thing that's. Yeah, you know. Okay. Okay. It's pretty good. It's pretty good. Oh. Oh shoot, Adam, the buddies are at to die. Okay. Hold on. Guys, I'll be right back.
What is it?
Alright. Get a new chair. Alright. Alright, I'm gonna move this over here. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I want to say it so bad. Alright. Okay. I mean, at least the window's shiny. Even though it is the W. Guys, originally my hair was pink and purple, and now it's pink. So, is that butter or like cream cheese? That's cheese. Whoa! I said it.
You lost.
Now I gotta do it there.
I dare you till
What?
till eat. I mean,
To what?
to eat the whole dog food. A little bit. A little bit.
To eat a little bit of dog food?
Yeah.
Real?
Yeah.
You guys are kidding me. Alright, well, let me go get the dog food. Alright.
No more.
No, that is a piece of dog food. Alright.
Okay, okay.
Good. It tastes like beef jerky. Like a type of beef jerky. I don't know if that's healthy for us. I don't know. I hope it's healthy for us. Alright, there. Now it's not like weird. Alright, back. It's so weird. What is that? What is that? Ice? I don't know what that
Cookies.
said.
That's cookies.
Oh.
No, that's a donut.
That's a donut? You can make donuts? With wait, what?
That's a donut.
Nah, that's not a donut. How do people draw like that? It's like a real human.
Yeah.
Oh, connection.
Yeah.
What is that? Oh.
Fake explosion? What? No. Doodle, look at that. That's so cool.
Oh, and I'm gonna pause this real quick. Okay, I'm back. Adam, that's like the picture we... Whoa, never mind. And I said it. I knew it. I knew it.
Wait, what was that picture?
It was like a picture and then it turned to a lot of faces. Is that a snail?
Yeah.
What's that? Is that chocolate?
Ah!
No, it's not.
What is that? What
This
is
looks
that?
like a lot of...
What is that?
Okay, that's
That's
pretty good. Not good enough though. Oh, that's what they were doing. I thought that was like paper. But they were actually making it smooth. He's God. Look at this. Oh! It's like spinning around. Wait, is that one of the police ladies? Like, where they have to like stop people? What? And I said it again. I had to. Oh my God.
why?
You say it 3 times and you're done. That's because I don't think fast enough and I just say it. Is that a... Yeah, that is a bowl. I want to do that.
Like you're trying to make a bowl.
Make it... I mean, it looks kind of hard. but it looks kind of easy at the same time.
And your hands are messy.
Like, I bet you I could do that. If we get 1,000, likes and 20 subscribers, I'll ask my mom if I could do it. So, 20 subscribers and 100 likes, and I'll do it. Comment down below though. What else you wanted me to? Comment down below what else you want me to watch. So. Wait.
What? What?
Oh, you said it 2 times. That equals 3. Go get a piece of dog food.
No. I said
it.
2.
Yeah, but first you said 1, remember? You said what? And then after that, on this one, you said what? What? Wait, what? I mean, no, you didn't say wait. You said what? What? And then go get that dog food. Get some beef jerky.
No, you can't. You can't do the same thing as me. You can't copy me.
I know, but you still have to.
No, you
Okay.
can't
I
copy
have to
me.
make up a new day, right?
Yeah.
Oh. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna pause the video so I can go find some. Okay, yeah, we're recording. Alright, so I figured out a challenge for Adam. I'm gonna hit him with this sword. Right there. Alright, get in the camera, bro. Back up. Yeah, I need to get the camera. Alright. There. Yeah, I can definitely see it. Ready? 1, 2.
Oh, it hurt.
Alright. 1.
You already did it. You can't do it 2 times. That's just cheating. When I get to do it 2 times to you.
Alright.
Okay.
I didn't even do 2 times.
You almost did. You said
Alright, back to the video. Okay. I didn't even see what that was. Alright.
all right.
Wait, is that how they make it in stores?
Let's cut.
I almost said it. Did you hear the woo?
That's a cut. That's a ball. No.
Dang, that actually looks pretty good. Alright. All my friends subscribe.
Little, maybe your friends are not gonna watch this.
No. I'm gonna tell them when I get in school, you dummy.
But this isn't a.
Okay.
This isn't a video.
What do you mean?
This is a video. Like you don't have your own channel.
Sure.
You're just watching this.
Okay.
The shirt.
That's a charging station? I don't know. I'm not gonna say it. Yeet. Oh. Now over here, now over here, now over here. Watch, look how my head turns. Alright, just watch this. Over here. Alright, pretty much there. He's doing